last day here, last full day in Tokyo. And in this hotel. Meron kaming Mount Fuji tour. Okay, Mount Fuji tour today. Tapos, unfortunately, hindi namin maabutan yung breakfast.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
We're at Bayside Station dito sa Tokyo Disney Resort.
The resort liner is now arriving.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a nap.
Piling ko na sila pa Disney Sea.
A bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my
So,
home.
dito kami sa Oishi Park. And gusto namin mag-try ng ng ice cream. Pero nasa taas yung Kamiya na ice cream. So, we'll try that. But here, outside, you can see a lot of people having their ice cream. And you have clear skies, which is awesome.
You makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of
Mount Fuji.
put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Let's go up. Okay. I think I'll try your number 6.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
You're not emotional, right? Yes. See Elsa is frozen? I'm making find the show.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite.
This place is so crowded. Parang may fiesta. There's a bluefish. Ayun. Ha? Tatanong ko nga eh. Go. Bawal ba? Baka tapos na. Kaya ako. Hi. Is it okay to take a video of it? To take a video while you're doing it? Take a video while you're making it? Okay.
We can spend all day in bed.
It's just the how you do it.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the wish that the lights go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So, nag-print latte kami. Print coffee. So, you can select your own photo or the default photo. Tapos, print nila. So, ang init kasi sobra kaya. Ay, ang lamig pala. Ang lamig pala. Hindi pa mainit. Kaya ano. Kaya nag-coffee na lang kami, hindi na kami sumama. Ganun. Tutulog kami sa bus, pinababa kami. Ay, nako. Hindi namin kaya. Go. We are back at Tokyo Station. And pabalik na kami ulit sa hotel. Ay, ang daming tao na naman dito talaga sa Tokyo. Tokyo Station in particular. Nawala pa ni Shaiki yung suika niya. So, yung ikoka niya. So, we had to buy a new one for her. At pwede palang may pangalan niya. Yung card. So, it's nice. It's our last day. So, bukas meron kaming hotel pickup going to Haneda. Ang dami rin namin luggage. Doon na kami sa hotel magde-dinner para hindi na kami lalabas. Ito yung Uniqlo, oh! Ayun yung Uniqlo, oh! Yes. Tingnan nga natin kung mananalo ka. Actually, mananalo ka talaga. This is sa Biak yan. 300 yen. No, may design. Watch like ano.
Mickey Mouse ba to? Sneaky. Yun yata ang special eh.
Oo, yan yung special. Yung malaki.
Ay, yung malaking special niya.
Okay, congratulations. Magdi-dinner lang kami here. On our last night. And then, may convenience store sa second floor. Medyo check out namin kung meron. Para makabili kami ng mga anik-anik. Ay, let's go. This is the Harding.
Andy, ano?
We're gonna check. That's how this works. If there's a service needed or not. Ang cutie niya. Ang cutie niya. Bagats lang. Bisita pa.
Ano nagsiserve? Ay, no.
So, sirloin tayo for tonight.
Ang liit mo, ano? Nakita
And
ko
then,
yung number.
malit lang.
Ang liit.
Sa may CR. Talit mo lang kami. So, meron din silang smoking lounge.
Hindi ba yun?
Ay, hindi ko pa ito naiikot eh, oh. Okay, so, pero makikita natin. Wow. So, this is their church. So, gusto mong magpakasal here. At ganapin ang reception here. So, meron pang mga anik-anik doon somewhere. Ay, may store din doon, oh. Ah, mga pasalubong. Okay, so, nasa Disney store pa yung dalawa. Kasi may Disney store here. And this is our dinner. Last dinner in Tokyo. This is sirloin steak. Ayan. Dito kami sa hotel restaurant. So, yeah. Kakain na kami kasi lalamig to. Ang tagal dong dalawa. Kasi kakaalis nga lang nila eh. Pero yeah, let's dig in.